Hello everyone, welcome to English Speaking Practice Daily.
I'm Sarah, and I'm Jake. Today we have a powerful true story for you.
This is a B1 level episode, perfect for intermediate learners.
If you're A2, don't worry, you can still listen and learn.
Before we start, where are you listening from? Write your country in the comments right now.
And what time is it? Morning, afternoon, night? Tell us.
My best friend collapsed at his desk. Heart attack. He was 41 years old.
Dead in 4 minutes. His wife screaming, 2 kids crying in the hospital.
The doctor said, stress, no sleep, terrible mornings, it killed him.
The collapsed means fell down suddenly. Repeat, collapsed.
Heart attack, when your heart stops working. Repeat, heart attack.
Today, we'll learn English through this story and maybe save your life too.
We'll teach you 10 important words you can repeat after us.
Let's start the story.
Meet Michael. He was 38 years old. Every morning started the same way.
Alarm rings at 6 a.m., he hits snooze.
Snooze button gives you 5 more minutes of sleep. Repeat, snooze button.
Snooze once, snooze twice, snooze 3 times.
Finally, at 6:45, panic. Quick shower, no breakfast, coffee in the car.
Panic means sudden fear and worry. Say panic.
He arrives at work exhausted, stressed, defeated.
3 words. Exhausted, very tired. Stressed, worried. Defeated, feeling like you lost.
Repeat, I am exhausted. I am stressed. I feel defeated.
Sadly, this was Michael's life for 12 years.
68% of people hate their mornings. They're not living, they're surviving.
Surviving means staying alive but not happy. Repeat, surviving.
Emotional. Then Michael's best friend had a heart attack at work, age 41.
In the hospital, his friend said, I was so busy making a living, I forgot to make a life.
Making a living means working for money. Making a life means living happily.
Repeat, making a living, making a life.
That sentence changed Michael forever.
He decided, tomorrow I change everything.
Now, let me teach you the 5 rules that saved Michael's life.
Listen carefully. Take notes if you want.
Rule number 1, when your alarm rings, get up immediately.
Immediately means right now, no waiting. Repeat, immediately.
No snooze, no excuses, just get up.
Every time you hit snooze, you train your brain to fail.
Train your brain means teach your brain a habit. Say, I train my brain.
When you get up immediately, you win the first battle of the day.
Repeat, I win the first battle of the day.
Quick question, do you hit the snooze button? Write yes or no in the comments.
Rule number 2, drink water before coffee.
1 large glass of water. That's it.
Your body spent 7 to 8 hours without water. You are dehydrated.
Dehydrated means your body needs water. Repeat, dehydrated.
Drink water first. Wake up your body. Coffee can wait.
Say, coffee can wait. I drink water first.
Rule number 3, move your body for 10 minutes.
Not a full workout, just move.
Stretch, walk, jump, dance.
Teaching. Stretch means make your body long. Repeat, stretch.
Scientific, 10 minutes of movement boosts your energy and focus.
Boost means increase or make stronger. Say, boost my energy.
Engagement, which exercise do you prefer? Walking, stretching, or dancing? Write in comments.
Rule number 4, no phone for 30 minutes.
This is hard, but very important.
When you grab your phone first, you give away your mental energy.
Grab means take quickly. Mental energy means brain power. Repeat these.
Instead, read a book, listen to a podcast, write in a journal.
Journal is a personal notebook. Say journal.
Try, I protect my mind in the morning.
Honest. Be honest. How many minutes until you check your phone in the morning? Write the number.
Rule number 5, set one clear intention for the day.
Intention means plan or goal. Repeat, intention.
Ask yourself, what is the one thing that would make today great?
Repeat this question. What is the one thing that would make today great?
Not 10 things, just one thing.
Finish that report. Call your mother. Eat healthy.
When you focus on one thing, you take control of your day.
Say, I take control of my day.
Now tell us which rule is easiest for you. Write Rule 1, Rule 2, Rule 3, Rule 4, or Rule 5.
So, what happened to Michael?
Month 1, he lost 12 pounds, more energy.
Lost weight means became lighter. Say, I lost 12 pounds.
Month 3, his wife said, "You're like the man I married again."
Emotional. Month 6, his daughter said, Daddy, you're my hero.
Hero means brave, strong person. Repeat, hero.
At work, he got promoted. His income doubled.
Got promoted means better job. Income doubled means twice the money.
Today, 6 years later, Michael is 44. Best shape of his life.
Best shape means healthiest and strongest. Say, I'm in the best shape.
Now, let's review the vocabulary. This is our word tour.
We'll practice 10 important words from today. Repeat after us.
Word number 1, collapsed.
Collapsed means fell down suddenly because of sickness or weakness.
Example 1, he collapsed at work from exhaustion.
Example 2, the runner collapsed after the marathon.
Now you say, I almost collapsed from tiredness.
Take your time. Repeat, collapsed.
Word number 2, heart attack.
A heart attack is when your heart suddenly stops working properly.
Example 1, my grandfather had a heart attack last year.
Example 2, stress can cause heart attacks.
Practice saying, heart attacks are very dangerous.
Pause. Repeat slowly, heart attack.
Word number 3, snooze button.
The snooze button gives you 5 or 10 more minutes of sleep.
Example 1, I hit the snooze button 3 times this morning.
Example 2, never use the snooze button if you want a good morning.
Try saying, I will not hit the snooze button tomorrow.
Say it with me, snooze button.
Word number 4, panic.
Panic is sudden, strong fear and worry.
Example 1, I woke up late and started to panic.
Example 2, don't panic, stay calm.
Practice, I felt panic when I saw the time.
Pause. Repeat clearly, panic.
Word number 5, exhausted.
Exhausted means extremely tired with no energy left.
After working 12 hours, I was completely exhausted.
She looked exhausted after the exam.
I am exhausted from studying.
Exhausted.
Word number 6, immediately.
Immediately means right now, with no delay or waiting.
When the alarm rings, get up immediately.
Call the doctor immediately if you feel sick.
I will start immediately.
Immediately.
Word number 7, dehydrated.
Dehydrated means your body needs water urgently.
I felt dehydrated after running.
Drink water if you're dehydrated.
I was dehydrated this morning.
Dehydrated.
Word number 8, boost.
Boost means to increase or make something stronger.
Coffee boosts my energy in the morning.
Exercise will boost your mood.
I need to boost my confidence.
Boost.
Word number 9, intention.
Intention is your plan or goal for something you want to do.
My intention is to study English every day.
What is your intention for this week?
I set a clear intention.
Intention.
Word number 10, Hero.
A hero is a brave, strong person that people admire.
My father is my hero.
Firefighters are real heroes.
My teacher is my hero.
Hero.
Congratulations! Excellent work. You just learned 10 powerful English words.
Now let's practice using them in sentences.
I'll say a sentence. You repeat after me. Ready?
Sentence 1. I will not hit the snooze button tomorrow. Sentence 2. I will drink water immediately when I wake up. Sentence 3. I take control of my day. Sentence 4. I will not panic in the morning. Sentence 5. My goal is to boost my energy every morning. Perfect! You're practicing real English.
Now, here's your homework.
Record a 20-second voice note in English about your morning today.
Just 20 seconds. What did you do? How do you feel?
You can keep it private or share with a friend.
Or write 3 sentences in the comments about your morning routine in English.
For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. I drink coffee. I check my phone.
Write your answer in the comments right now.
Thank you for practicing English with us today.
Remember, you're not just learning English, you're learning how to live better.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like this video right now.
And click subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's lesson.
Share this video with one friend who is learning English.
See you tomorrow for more English practice.
Keep practicing, keep improving. Goodbye.